Adobe FrameMaker allows you to create rich, lightweight DITA content in a customizable workspace. Adobe FrameMaker supports all versions of DITA. Even lightweight DITA is fully supported. This includes the ability to create new files, including maps and topics. In the installation path, there is even a set of structured XML files specifically for lightweight DITA. This includes samples to get you started. The sample lightweight DITA map includes a link to a README file, as well as information about numerous elements and attributes that can be used. FrameMaker even has a dedicated interface for working with XML and structured content. These default configurations can be further customized. For example, you can open and expand pods. Pods can be placed and customized by dragging and dropping them. Customize the interface based on your needs. Make your lightweight DITA workspace your own. You can save your lightweight DITA workspace and return to it whenever you want. The structure view provides insight into the hierarchy of your content. Inside here, you can expand or collapse elements. As you change the selection inside your structure view, the Contextual Elements catalog will automatically update to show a list of allowed lightweight DITA content. Simply double-click an element to insert it. Not only is it remarkably simple to create lightweight DITA content, but you can do so in a richly formatted template that can be completely customized. Lightweight DITA was designed to make it easier to start working with DITA, and Adobe FrameMaker was created to make it easier to work with lightweight DITA. Create, edit, and publish your content using a visual and simple interface, along with customizable templates. If you have questions or would like a personalized demo, please write to us at techcom@adobe.com.